Hi, good morning. Today I am going to explain to the foot from its side, written by Pablo Neruda. The lesson number is 8. Pablo lesson number 8, to the foot from its side, written by Pablo Neruda. He is from Chilean poet, written in Chilean language. Later on translated in English, translated by Alastair Reid. Translated by Alastair Reid. This poem says about a foot, about a foot dreams, a foot's dream, a foot's expectations. Each and every bodies everybody have their expectations. Likewise, a foot is also have his expectations about a foot. A foot has expectations about itself to become like something, become like that. So likewise, Fabio, he knows about a foot, and he written a poem about a foot, its side, foot from its side, means from born to till death, from born to until death. What happens in between during this period? What happened to the foot? That he expressed where in this poem. That is called to the foot from its side. He is well known a poet and also Nobel laureate, Pablo Neruda, one of the best poet of that country, and given a Nobel to him, Nobel Prize, Nobel laureate given to him. See, before start a poem, I am going to explain a pre-reading activities of that poem. A pre-reading activity. What happens in this poem about that? Before going to read poem, we should know about what it says. About what poem says. That he expressed here. See, in pre-reading activity, some parts of the body are normally attributed metaphorically. That is, heart and emotions, head, reason. Similarly, what do these refer to? Foot, shoulders, hand, eye, etc. See, metaphorically used, attributed metaphorically correctly, and used metaphorically. The whole bodies of the human beings, of human bodies, of the bodies of the many parts are metaphorically used. Means heart emotions similarly, according to philosophically they said here heart emotions. Similarly, what it become? Emotions. Head similarly means likewise reason. Head reason, to think, to reason, something. And similarly, what do these refer to? Who? Foot, shoulders, hand, eyes, etc. See how they refer here metaphorically in that heart emotions, head reason, likewise foot walking. Similarly, foot walking. Shoulders to control the body. Shoulders means control the body while walking. Control the bodies, controlling, balanced. Hand means movement. Leg and hands both are moving. When the both are moving, forward and backward, if movements going on from the leg and the hand, then only the body can movement ahead. So this like this, hand movement. See, foot walking, shoulders balanced with the whole body, hand movements and eyes looking where he was going. On that basis, going ahead. So these examples are metaphorically used where? Metaphorically where we see in figures of speech. In figures of speech. How many parts of the figures of speech? 8 parts of the figures of speech. 8 parts of the figures of speech. Similes, metaphor, so many personifications, many are there, 8 are there. Just I'm telling, metaphoric means to similarly, likewise. Some clouds as like a meal, likewise, similar, metaphorically used. Likewise here in this poem, in pre-reading activity, they given a meanings of metaphorically. Heart are emotions, head reason, foot walking. I'm telling that foot walking, shoulders balanced, hands movement, hands and legs when the movement backward and forward, then only body movement ahead. Eyes looking, according to eyes the leg and hands are moving towards that movement. So this is there. So see, what do the following expressions means? Some expression means, what it means of the expressions. Stand on one's own feet. Feet is a singular, plural, foot is a singular. According to grammar, foot is a singular, feet is a plural. See, a body stands on your own feet. Right? You stands on your own feet. Okay. See, then to have a brave heart. To have a brave heart. And in cold blood, take to one's heel. One's heel. Heel is there. Yeah? On your own heel. To stand on your own heel, to stand on your own feet, then you should have a brave heart and cold blood. Then only you can stand on your this body. It says that. And see, I will show that a foot from its side, given in the clear meaning where in this picture. See, the tree is there. In the leg have a foot. Shoe is there. In the shoe, the log of the tree is there. See inside. All these things, just you see. So these are things. Now I am going to explain a poem. poem, which is to the foot from its side. The first line, what it says, we will see that. A poet says, see, a child's foot is not at aware it's a foot. A child's foot is not at aware it's a foot, and would like to be a butterfly or an apple. That is the couple of lines says like this. In couple of lines, at the beginning of couple of lines, says like this. A child's foot is not aware of its foot. Not aware of its foot, how it becomes in his future life. In its future life. Never aware. Not aware about its foot. A child's foot is not aware of its foot. How it becomes in future. And also, the foot looks a dream. In second line says that poet, that is Pablo Neruda says here, what he said, and a child's foot dreams about its foot. What it dreams? A foot to fly like a butterfly. A foot to fly like butterfly. Wants to butterfly. A foot wants fly like butterfly. See, even each and every persons on each and every creatures on the earth, in the world, wants something. So likewise, a foot is also wants to fly like a butterfly or an apple. See, each and every creatures of the world, everyone wants to become as like something. Likewise, a foot is also want to become or to fly like a butterfly or an apple. At beginning, no one is the child's foot is not aware of its foot, and also it looks dream. It looks dream to become like a butterfly, to fly like a butterfly or an apple. But in time, stones and beads of glass, streets, ladders, and the paths in the rough earth go on teaching the foot that it cannot fly. In the second stanza, the poet expressed what he expressed. See, in time, during their life, after born a child, how a child is growing. Likewise, foot also growing. When it grows itself, how it grows means through walking on the earth, on the stones, on piece of glasses, bead of glasses, streets wise. At the beginning, a foot start to walk. Where first on stones, bead of glasses, street wise, and ladders also. Ladder means going means step by step ahead, going to up ladder. So like that, and also the path become a rough. The footpath become a rough on the earth through walking. When the foot is walking on the earth, all on over crossing all these things, when on stones, bead of glasses, streetwise, ladders, then that footpath become a rough on the earth. So when it become a rough on the earth, then the foot itself taught. The foot itself taught and understood that he couldn't fly. It couldn't fly. Sorry, that foot couldn't fly. When he taught on the earth, when the foot taught on the earth, then he come to know it couldn't fly on as like a butterfly. Or else cannot be a fruit budding on the branch. And also, see, cannot be a fruit. It cannot become a fruit on the budding on the branch, on the body. It couldn't become a fruit. Which one? The fruit is never become a fruit on this body. Body is called a branch according to Neruda. Body is called a branches of this tree, and that fruit never become a fruit. Never as like a child fruit. Never become as like a child fruit. It become a day by day through his pass on his life. That fruit become a rough on the earth by walking on glasses, beat up glasses, stones, ladders, streetwise. Then it became a rough. Then he come to know. Then he became aware about his foot. It couldn't fly on the earth and also never give a fruit on the tree. Means in the body of that. The foot never became an apple. Whatever it has expectation, whatever it has expectation, whatever it looks, a foot looks a dream, that never become a true. Never become a true. Whatever it looks a illusion, an illusion. It looks an illusion, just an illusion. Never become a true. Never become a true. But in your life, what I am saying to that, when it looks a dream, according to dreams, you just go on do the work, then definitely it will become a successful. But fruit couldn't become a fruit, or couldn't become a butterfly. Couldn't fly as like a butterfly. He says, Pablo Neruda says in this poem. Then the child's foot is defeated, falls in the battle, is a prisoner, condemned to live in a shoe. Condemned to live in a shoe. See, in that second stanza only, fifth line, sixth line says that, sixth line says that the child's foot is defeated. Whatever that foot looks a dream, never became a success, means defeated, became a false in his life, in the battle of the life. Life is like a battle. In that battle of life, the foot became a false, and it is become a prisoner. It is become a prisoner. Becoming prisoner. Where? And it condemns to live in a shoe. Where it became a prison? In shoe. That foot became a prison in shoe. That is his condemned to live. Precisely to live where? In the shoe. Who? A foot. A foot should become a prison. Not shoe, sorry. Should become a foot become a prison in the shoe, and precisely to live where? In the shoe. Condemned. See, two meanings. Dragging means completely, or third means completely safe or safe. So many meanings will come. Bugging. not bugging. That pronunciation what? Bugging, bug. One more meaning there, difficult, that I'm telling. Condemned. Condemned means criticize. Criticize. Condemned means criticize. To leave in the shoe. Condemnedly to leave. Condemned to leave in the shoe. That it says. Who says? Farida says. Neruda says about a foot. A foot is like that. See, in the third stanza says, beat by beat, in that dark, it grows to know the world in its own way. Out of touch with its fellow, enclosed, feeling out life like a blind man. In third stanza, he says that Neruda express about foot in the third stanza like this. A beat by beat, where in the shoe, beat by beat, in the shoes, all become a darkness. Beat by beat are placed in the shoe, become a darkness. In that darkness, the foot become a prison. He prisoned in the shoe. Foot become prison. Foot prison where in the shoe. All beat by beat in the shoes. Totally dark. Beat by totally in the shoe become a darkness. In that darkness, he has to leave. Who? Foot. That he says. See, it grows to know the world in its own way. Then day by day he come to know. He has to understand that is his life. He has to realize that is his life. That is his life. Where? In shoe. That is its world. That is its world. And he has to live in darkness. He has to live in darkness. That a poet says like that. A poet says like that. He has to live where? In the darkness of the life. That is its world. Its world. In his world, he has to live. He has to go away. Go on. Go ahead. Where? In that shoes. Inside the third stanza, third one line says, you have to see what he expresses. Out of touch with its fellow, enclosed. See, out of touch with its fellow. Who is his fellow? Another one foot. With its fellow, another fellow. Who is one more? Who is that body to have two legs? Always they are going with a parallel, up and backward. Forward and backward. Should move, So, out of touch, without touch, should go with a parallel. Up, forward and backward. When the feet become with the fellow, should go up, forward and backward. Then the body movement go ahead. So that it says, out of touch with its fellow, enclosed means continuously. Enclosed means continuously going ahead. See this like this. Enclosed. Out of touch with its fellow. Its fellow means another one fellow. Out of touch with another one fellow. The foot says, and enclosed in one by one, going on ahead continuously. Feeling out life like a blind man. How they will go? How foot will go? Feeling of life and going like a blind man. The foot always goes with its fellow like a blind man. See, there is no one know. They don't know where they are going. Where mind says, where eyes say, looks towards that, the foots are going. The foot is going with its fellow. That is the lie. They must follow. Means what I am telling here, when you determine about a life, then you should enclose it. Enclose means according to your timetable. What you mentioned in the timetable, day by day you should follow. Enclose, going. When you refer, when you go it according to timetable, what they have given to do a study for your goal. If you do like that, when you enclose it like that, means following, continuously touch up with that, then only you become a successful. Likewise here, the foot says that without touch with its fellow and enclosing and going ahead the life like a blind man. Like a blind man. That is the life. I think see. Okay, in tomorrow's class, I will continue, because I will stop here. I will continue, tomorrow I will continue and complete that poem. Okay, see, if you have any doubts, you may ask me when I am going to take online class. In that online class, you should ask me. Okay, thank you and all.